Let's go.
All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat.
It is adorable.
Rising in that beat.
I tried to scream on my.
How was it?
That was so funny. You go down and you close your eyes, and then it just keeps
It just
going.
doesn't stop.
Yeah,
You just
yeah.
keep going. I thought I was gonna disconnect, right? And then like, boom. Yeah, it's crazy.
That is
I
awesome.
tried to
You
scream.
need to tie my bathing suit tighter because my
I
Okay.
tried to scream, but like nothing came out.
All right, you guys,
I
so
was about to say I tried to scream, but my head was underwater.
I had to tell you guys, so your head was underwater. Okay, guys, so this was the plan. The plan was that I was going to go down first, and then two people were going to go
wasn't
next, and then you guys were going to go. Guess what I did? I came down, I ran and got my camera, came back over, and filmed the wrong slide. So I filmed like two people going down the wrong slide, so we're going to have to do it again. That's okay. Don't worry, don't worry. All right, guys, this is take 2 on the Summit Plummet. I think it's a Summit Plummet. It might be the Gusher, Mount Rushmore. I don't know what it is. I think it's a Summit Plummet. It's the big one. Anyways, this is take 2. I'm going to try to get the kids coming down. I'm standing in a different spot, though, so I won't be able to get them at the end, but I'll be able to get them going past.
Like a slide. You hit incredible speed. 44. I think I beat it. What did I get?
I don't know. I didn't see. I was filming. I'm sorry, Brendan. I think you got 52. I'm sure of it.
64.
You might have gotten 64 miles an hour.
Major League change-up.
It is a beautiful day here at Blizzard Beach. We just ordered our lunch. Well, Ryan and Katie are in the wave pool while we're waiting for our lunch to come in. We did our mobile ordering of lunch. Oh my gosh, it's like a total beach here. Look at this. This is so cool. So there's sand and everything. All right, now I gotta find them in this sea of swimmers. Hi guys. This is pretty cool. Are you gonna go under? Why?
I'm kind of chilly.
Okay, when the sun comes back out. Okay, very good. And we've got to eat, so we'll just sort of hang out here for a little bit, then we'll eat.
I got chicken tenders.
Kate's been jonesing for chicken tenders the whole time we've been
Me
here.
and Brennan both got double bacon cheeseburgers, and I'm so excited to eat mine.
Do you have enough room in that belly?
No.
Also, they make this whole place look like the beach. So if you look up there, there's like sandy parts, like the whole thing is sand until it reaches the concrete, which is like, it looks like a beach. Like, and so it's like sand, and then there's the waves, which is just like a beach. Very cool.
It is very cool. It's a little cleaner than the beach.
Much cleaner than the beach. And the water's much clearer.
Yes. You guys, I was filming and I felt all this like splash come up behind me. I'm like, oh my gosh, somebody's running in. So I turned around and turned the camera off. Did not realize it was Brennan coming in to totally roast Ryan.
I'm gonna tell them to stop.
They might. I don't know if you're allowed to do horseplay.
I just put Ryan's head underwater.
Here he comes. No, you can't. You can't hold on to me. That's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. Get her. Get her, Ryan. Get her.
I said earlier. Break it up. Break it up. Fun day.
So let's go get our towels and dry off a little and then get our food. They're gonna yell that by this
I know.
They're gonna yell that right now.
No, I don't think so. Okay. All right, Katie's chefing up some, what, Kate?
Some sort of concoction.
Mm-hmm. She got chicken tendies. All right, what's the first ingredient?
First ingredient is mayonnaise.
Okay.
As much as you can squeeze out of this
As much as
tiny
you can
little
muster.
Heinz real mayonnaise packet. Honey mustard. Pack that in there. All right, next, barbecue sauce. Mix it all together, all three of them. Give it a little mixy mix. Wait a minute. Wait
She
for it.
saw it on TikTok because she's inspired by the people who mix paint on TikTok.
One or the other.
No, I was.
She's actually gonna eat this, you guys.
I was taught by someone that I met on a Disney cruise, or no, on a celebrity cruise, and it is Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah, it is.
Chick-fil-A sauce. I can't wait to taste it.
The three ingredients that they put in Chick-fil-A sauce are honey mustard,
can I
mayonnaise,
taste it?
and- Yes,
Okay, here I go. I'm gonna give it a try.
There's no mayonnaise in it.
yeah, there is.
That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Wow, you guys. I think she hit the nail on the head.
Should I try it?
Mm-hmm. You should. It's really good. Congratulations, Kate.
Thank you.
All right, Mike made it, you guys. We are on the lazy river. How great is this?
Very lazy.
It is lazy.
Get to work.
Yeah, exactly, right?
Katie, go under it. Why not? No. Hey yo, we're on a chairlift.
Hey guys, it just stopped. I did.
Yeah, it's in. Anyway, the
Come on,
chairlift's
Dad.
here at Blizzard Beach. Anyway, so Blizzard Beach is kind of like a ski resort in the
been over
summer
there,
with
so we
water
already told
slides. Yes, we already told them. But I love how the ski lifts are like beach chairs. You see? They're like little beach chairs with umbrellas.
They're made of skis though.
Ah, they're made of ski. Yeah.
And look, there's skis under us too.
Exactly. So it's like a huge like kind of contrast between like winter and summer. It's great. Anyway, so the ski lift takes you up all the way up there. So Dad's finally here, so I think we're gonna go on like a nice like fun family
Nice.
ride.
I don't think it's gonna be nice.
It's gonna be pretty hectic. See you guys there.
Fill me up, buttercup baby, just to let Brennan move your feet. Turn it up.
We're all ready to rock. It is the whole family, and we are in what's called Teamboat Springs.
We're on the way to Tomato Town.
On the way to Tomato Town. This is a huge tune, and we're gonna go eventually down the rapids. Ready?
Here we go. Uh-oh, whoa.
Our sunglasses okay? It's okay.
Ah.
You're too late.
This is a smooth ride. I like this. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! I don't think you guys understand. Excessively screaming on rides is my favorite thing to do. I like that. That was fun.
Hey guys, so we are at the top of, what's this called? Toboggan Racers. Brendan, are you eating the toboggan? We've already done this one time earlier today, but now Mike's here to film it for us. So we are gonna race toboggans down that thing. Brendan smoked us all last time, but he's not gonna do it this time. Katie decided to sit this one out. I think she's nervous.
She's scared. Ryan, are you nervous?
No.
Do you think you should get a head start?
No, I mean, I do really well in the beginning, and then Brennan usually wins because he plows through the water down there. So we'll
Alright.
see how it goes. But
Jill, are you nervous?
A little bit, because I thought I finished last time, and then I turned around and Ryan was still behind me, so that was not so bad.
Ryan, are you nervous?
no.
Good luck, you guys.
Thank you.
My money's on Brennan,
I think so.
just because he's heavier. Good luck, you guys.
Thank you.
Let's go! Get towards! Get towards! Come back here, baby! Get over here! No rough housing! No rough housing! Buddy?
Welcome back, racers. Please watch the end of the slide and exit to your right. Thank you.
Who won that?
Disgraceful.
Freddie
won it?
by a mile, but he wasn't leading. Ryan was leading, and then I was in second. Right
By a
before the finish
mile
line,
is
Ryan
a
Freddie
little-
came and totally, I can't even.
That
I
was
was
literally a
shocked.
photo finish.
I was shocked.
Boom!
Got video proof, baby.
We've been at Blizzard Beach for a little while now, and this weird old man came up to me and said he could beat me in the toboggan. And I was like, old man. Don't you know I'm undefeated in the toboggan? And he said, yeah, I know. So we're gonna have to get videographic proof. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm back. I'm back for more. All right, you guys are gonna get to watch me torch that.
Oh, Dad wins! Dad wins! Brandon, what happened?
I'm like, oh, yay! Oh, yeah, it's so fun. And by the way, you did not open your eyes at all.
No,
But you're like, oh, yay, oh, yay.
that was awesome. That was so awesome. Do you think we have time to do it one more time?
So.
Okay, should we try it? All right, let's go.
Okay, Summit Plummet closes at, or the whole park closes at 6. So it's like 5:55. So we got 5 more minutes left. I'm just gonna jump on a Summit Plummet one last time, because I mean, how could you not? And I'll try to film my face this time, but it's mainly gonna be like this the whole time, but doesn't matter. Yep. Oh, here we go. How was that? I don't know if that was good or not. That might be really underwhelming. But yeah, that was that. Oh my gosh. What a day at Blizzard Beach, baby. Oh my gosh.
We are closing Blizzard Beach, you guys.
Absolutely closing it.
Leaving it to Ryan and Phil to close
Yep.
whatever park we go to.
Yep, literally anything. Anything
We
you see.
opened it and closed it.
Every time. Just everyone.
That was probably one of the funnest days I've ever had. It was so much fun. I love, love, love Blizzard Beach. Last night on our Disney vacation, we're having a mukbang. We're mukbanging with pizza, ribs, and Katie burping. Thanks, Kate. Thanks for nothing. I might have. We made Ryan take his shirt off because he eats so
Just coughed up a rib.
his own. Because he eats so messy sometimes, so we made